Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create a login and sign up or sign in and sign up page with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, like this one we have two pages, create account and sign in. Okay, here we can to create account for ourselves and just by sign in clicking we can here to sign in to this website. Okay, let's start. Me created three file and attaches font and css file. Now I want to attach script file, javascript. Okay, like this login.js or javascript. First create one div class container, id also container, and now create one div class name forum container and sign up, forum container and also sign up class name. Now create one class, remove action, create first header, create account, and now create another div with class name social icons and one link, class name icon class, and also I for icon class name, and now change this to Google and Twitter and also Instagram, like this. Instagram, last one Twitter. Okay, now we will see how this is looking. Okay, now this is working very good. Now just create one span and write or use your email for registration. After this, just write input type text, placeholder name, another input type email, placeholder email, and another input type password and placeholder password. Now create one button, sign up. Okay, and now we will refresh this page. Okay, everything working. Now just copy this div and paste again and just change these options, and here just change these letters and also remove the first input name and change sign up to sign in, like this, and create one link here for forgetting password, forgot your password. Okay, now refresh page. We have two options, sign in and create in. Now create another div with class name toggle container, another div class name toggle panel class name, again toggle left, and one header, welcome back, and one paragraph, enter your personal details to use this site, and to create one button, class name hidden, id, login, and name for button sign in. Now copy this and paste again this div, change just two things, hello friends, and register with your personal details. Okay, and change id to register and just sign in to sign up. Now refresh page. Okay, we have two more options here, and now come on to css file, margin 0 for all, padding 0, box sizing border box, font family sans serif. Now select style for body, background color HC9 DFF, background linear gradient to right, come up to this, select two colors like this one, and display flex, align item center, justify content center, and flex direction column, height 100 VH. Now select style for container, background color white, border radius 30 pixel, box shadow 0, 5, 15, and RGBA 000 and 0.35 for alpha. Position relative overflow hidden, weight say 168 pixel, max weight 100%, minimum height 480 pixel. Now select style for container, paragraph, font size 14, line height 20 pixel, letter spacing 0.3 pixel, margin 20 pixel 0, and select style for container spawn, font size 12 pixel. Now select style for container A or link, select color and run. Okay, I will fix this issue. And now select font size 13 pixel, text decoration none, margin 15 pixel 0 and 10 pixel. Now select style for container button, background color. Okay, now select color FFF, font size 12 pixel, padding 10 pixel, 45 pixel, border 1 pixel solid transparent, border radius 8 pixel, font weight 600, letter spacing 0.5 pixel, text transform uppercase, margin top 10 pixel, and cursor pointer. Now select style for container button dot hidden, background color transparent, border color white, and select style for container forum, background color 333 or FFF, or select triple EO, display flex, align item center, justify content center, flex direction column, padding 0 and 40 pixel, height 100%. Now select style for container input, background color triple E and border none, margin 8 pixel in 0 and padding 10-15 pixel, font size 30 pixel, border radius 8 pixel, and weight 100%, outline none. Now select style for forum container. Okay, just select position absolute, top 0, height just 100%, no inherit, transition all 0.6 second, SN out. Okay, sign in, left 0, weight 50%, Z index 2. Now okay, this button sign in, name of this class is sign in. Okay, now select style for container dot active dot sign in, transform transition translate X 100%, sign up, left 0, weight 50%, opacity 0, Z index 1. Select style for container dot active and sign off. transparent translate x 100%, opacity 1, z index 5, animation move 2.6 seconds, keyframes select move for 0 and for 50%, opacity 0 and z index 1 for 50 and 100%, opacity 1, z index 5. Sorry, z index 5. Now select style for social icons. Okay, this class name is social icons. Margin 20 and 0. Now select social icon link, border 1 pixel solid triple C and border radius 20 pixel, display inline plex, justify content center, align item center and plex. Margin 0 3 pixel, weight 40 pixel, height also 40 pixel. Select style for toggle container, position absolute, top 0, left 50%, weight also 50%, height 100%, outflow hidden, transition all n 0.6 second is in out, z indexed 1000. Point container active, toggle container, transition translate x minus 100 pixel. Now select border radius for toggle container 150 00 100 pixel, and now select border radius for active time 0 150 100 and 0. Now select dot toggle background color, and after this height 100%, background linear gradient, select two colors again, like this one. Okay, now select color just white, and position relative, left minus 100%, height 100%, weight 200%, transparent translate x 0, transition all is in out. Okay, now we will see how this is looking. Okay, now this is working very fine. Continue for styling, dot container active, dot toggle, transition, transparent translate 50% for toggle panel, position absolute, weight 50%, height 100%, and select display flex, align and item center, and justify content center, flex direction column, padding 0 and 30 pixel, text align center, and top 0, transparent translate x 0, transition and 0.6 second is in out. Dot toggle left, transparent translate x minus 200, and power container dot active dot toggle left, transparent translate x 0, and now for toggle right, translate x right 0, and transparent translate x also 0. For container dot active toggle right, translate x 200 pixel. Okay, now we will run this. Okay, this is working. Now come on for JavaScript, create one constant container for document dot get element by id container. Again, register button dot document dot get element by id. Okay, now select name of your button, RID, register, and create for another button, login button. Okay, now select register button dot add event listener, click, and also container dot class list dot add active, and after this just copy this and paste again, just change register to login button and add to remove. Now see this all course, change this video name. Okay, this is style and this is HTML. Now run code, we will see how this is working. Okay, we have sign in option and also social media icon, and also we can to click and sign in option, and here we can to create account and sign in account. Thank you for watching.